horses out. Princess Julian first to show quickness at the start. Moving up now to take second is La Diva. Premier Edition is racing in third. Then followed by Aim to Please and Kai Camerans in that order. As they inside a 600, we've got Princess Julian by about 2 lengths. And in second is La Diva. Coming closer now in third is Premier Edition. And in fourth, Aim to Please, and far behind is Kai Camerans. Princess Julian by only a length. Premier Edition now moving up on the outside. La Diva dressed back in third as they come down at the last 200. The lead now belongs to Premier Edition by a length and a half. Princess Julian dressed back in second. Then moving up now is Aim to Please. Last 25 and it's still Premier Edition. Second, Aim to Please. Princess Julian, La Diva, and number 2, Kai Camerans.
Well, nakita natin na unang tumawid itong si Premier Edition, pero maganda yung pinilas ng Aim to Please, ha?
Yes, siguro partner, given somewhere distance, baka yung number 5 ang manalo. Nakita naman natin ang lakas ng dating ni Aim to Please, kaya lamang nakalayo na at nakapwesto ng mas maganda itong si Premier Edition right from the start of the race. At mabuting kabayo kahit pa paano yung number 3 and 5 natin for race number 1. Ayan po, as we take a good look, number 3 horse.